These are the main features and specifications of the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1, a cost-effective laptop aimed at students and business professionals. It has a polished and elegant appearance, with a sturdy construction and a matte black finish. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD display that provides clear visuals. The laptop is powered by the newest 13th generation Intel Core i7 processors, which offer effective performance for daily tasks and multitasking. It also has multiple storage options, including 512GB SSD M.2. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 offers a variety of connectivity options, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Several security features, like a fingerprint reader and an optional TPM, Trusted Platform Module, chip, are included to ensure data protection. The laptop has a decent battery life, though this can vary depending on usage and configuration. Overall, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 offers solid performance and durability at an affordable price point. However, if you have specific requirements or require more advanced features, it would be best to check other models.